if you remember
We
what
had talked about on Tuesday about the landlords of Canada. Does anybody remember? The Métis.
The national animal of Canada is bison. That is the Indian. We're having a field trip with my classmates, senior, what's this, settlement class. And that's my classmates. One of the teachers, Vietnamese. They are all my classmates. Bison on the move. Oh, may mga libreng pencil, oh. Ito English. This is in English. And the other one is French. French. So we're here. Different kinds of stones. It's different kinds of stones. Wow, ang ganda nito, oh. My classmates. Oh, ang ganda dito, oh. Oh, ang sarap siguro pagka ano yan, oh. Parang movie room. Tapos ganyan kalaki yung ano mo, oh. Screen mo. Nice. Nice one. Joven, no? Nakikipagtsikahan si Joven, no?
Half Philippine or Brazilian. Ono Filipino. Ono Brazilian.
Brazilian daw.
Media Brazilian. Media Filipino.
Yeah. Yeah.
So guys, nandito pa rin kami. Ang ganda na screen, no? Oh. Yan yung mga classmates ko, mga senior.
This is like Manitoba, but like long time ago, under the sea.
What was that? A dinosaur?